What's up, homies? It's a cloudy day outside, so let's try out a Big Wave Golden Ale from Kona Brewing Company, a very good brewery. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, year round, the waves that roll onto Hawaiian beaches are some of the best in the world. Catch the crest of a breaking wave and ride it all the way in. Our sun-drenched Big Wave Golden Ale is a smooth brew inspired by what makes Hawaii great. Catch a wave. So, all of their beers taste really cleanly fermented, which is important for me and what I like in beer. I don't like a lot of yeast flavors unless it's a Belgian ale. Certain sorts of beers, like sour beers, the flavor depends on the yeast. Most of their beers are just cleanly fermented and don't require a yeast funk to get their flavor going. This is lower alcohol, 4.4%, and the hops that they used in it are really good. Is definitely not super hoppy, but it's a really alpha hop style, which means the hops range in different amounts of alpha acids that they hold, and super alphas were used in this, in my opinion. You could just taste it. It tastes more like citrusy. It tastes similar to a West Coast IPA from Green Flash, which is the same kind of hops flavor, but scaled down, which is good because too many hops will just irritate your stomach. And even the Kona Brewing Company's Pale Ale is a little bit too hoppy for me. So this is probably a little bit below in hopping, which I appreciate. It's a golden ale. It's good. Usually golden ales are too strong, and this is a 4.4%. The last golden ale I had was a Duvel, which is about 8.5%. Real clean. Just really the hops flavor. There's no real other malt flavors to get tangled up in it. Like, they're not trying to balance the caramely against the citrusy. They're showing you the citrusy because it's so good. Yeah, you get a little bit of those tangerine notes.